Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add or enable Ultimate Performance Mode on Windows 11. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Copy text from description and paste it. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Power Options. Expand Show additional plans. Select Ultimate Performance. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.